Welcome, Springfield. This is the first time in Anna's life she has ever seen, whatchamacallit, fireflies, lightning bugs. As furthest east she's ever been is Denver. We're in Springfield, Missouri at my mom's.
Are you mocking me?
And she's catching lightning bugs.
Oh, I got one!
There's one right in front of you, right there.
Do I get another one?
Yeah, get a bunch of them.
Oh my gosh.
You can see them lighting over there.
That's two!
Look at them all. You can see them just lighting.
Oh my gosh. They're so pretty. They're gonna die in my thing though.
No. You let them go in a little bit. There's one right behind you. It's right over here.
Oh.
There it is.
They're all escaping. I still have the two in there. I don't know how many I'll be able to get in here.
I don't know.
Oh, that's so big.
There's tons of them out here. Especially over there for some reason. Over there. Look at them all over there. There's tons of them. How many do you have?
Two.
You only have two?
Yeah. Are you still videoing?
Are they lighting at all?
No. They're dead.
There's tons of them over here.
In general, we're probably going to step on a snake.
Maybe.
Here's the open. Oh.
Let me see. Show me the jar.
There's only two in there, and they haven't been light. Oh!
There you go. I got it on video. What do you think about lightning bugs?
They're cute.